Hello Excel enthusiastic, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will learn how to freeze pens using keyboard functions only. So in freeze pen function, what happen is it freezes the row above and the column to the left of the selected cell. So for example, I have selected B7 and now I'll press Alt W F F. So you can see the row and column has been freezed. So like I'll scroll down for you. See, the particular row is fixed, and even this column is fixed, column A, if you can see. So in this way, we freeze rows and columns together. Now, how to unfreeze pens? You just need to press the same function, Alt W F F. You can see the lines has been removed. The panes are already unfreezed. Now, to only freeze a top row above, you need to press Alt F W R. So you can see this row has been freezed. See. Now again to unfreeze it, press Alt F W W. Same, only you have to freeze the column. So it will always freeze the first column. For that you have to press Alt W F C. Now you can see the column has been freezed. So the first column has been freezed as we can see it. So if you like our video, please follow ExcelUp for more such Excel tricks. Thank you.